the last time you failed beautifully? Not dramatically, not in front of a crowd, but quietly in that private space where you gave your all and still fell short, yet somehow felt lighter, not defeated. Day 7 of our Hanuman Chalisa journey, and today's verse is a tribute to a kind of brilliance that isn't measured in marks, medals, or applause, but in heart. Vidyavan guniyati chatur, Ram kaj karibeko vatur. You are wise, full of noble qualities, intelligent, and always eager to carry out Sri Rama's work. At first, it sounds like Tulsidas is simply praising Hanuman's intelligence. But look closer. He isn't celebrating knowledge alone. He's celebrating how Hanuman uses it. Vidya, wisdom that humbles. Gun, virtue that steadies. Chatura, intelligence that acts with compassion. And the most powerful of all, Atur, eagerness, the willingness to serve, the excitement to act on what you believe in. Let me bring this closer. There was a boy named Arav. He wasn't the top student, not the fastest runner, not the star anyone noticed first. Every time he entered a competition, he lost. By a little, by a lot. It didn't matter. People teased him, teachers ignored him. Even his friends joked, "Why do you keep signing up when you never win?" But every time Arav smiled, tied his shoelace tighter, and said, "I don't do it to win. I do it because I like seeing how far I can go." One day, the school announced a district race. RF trained quietly, not because he was picked, but because he wanted to be ready. He wasn't on the list, didn't get the coach's note also. Still, he showed up to the ground every morning, running before sunrise, alone, his breath mixing with the morning fog. Lap after lap, no applause, no witness, just effort. The day of the race came. One participant didn't show up. The coach looked around and said, "Arav, you're here early. Take the lead." The whistle blew. He ran, not with speed, but with soul. He came in third. A bronze medal. But that small piece of metal felt like gold in his palm. Not because of its shine, but because it silenced everything that once told him he couldn't. That's Ram Kaj Karibeko Vatur. The eagerness to act, even when success isn't guaranteed. The fire to keep showing up of what you believe in. Now look at Hanuman. Standing at the edge of the ocean, the wind howling, the Vanaras silent, Lanka glimmering faintly in the distance. No one moved. Even Hanuman did. He didn't doubt the mission, he simply forgot his place in it. And then came Jambavan's steady voice, eyes full of knowing. "Hanuman, have you forgotten who you are?" That one reminder was like a spark in a dry wood. Hanuman closed his eyes, whispered Rama's name, and leapt. Not for glory, not for recognition, but because remembering who you are makes trying the one natural response. That leap, born not from arrogance, but from remembrance, is the living meaning of this verse. Vidyavan guniyati chatur, Ram kaj karibeko vatur. Wisdom, virtue, awareness, and eagerness to serve, to act, to believe. So let me ask you again, haven't you been there too? Failed, being laughed at, overlooked, felt like no one saw the fire inside you? Here is the truth. A winner isn't the one who finishes first. A winner is the one who keeps getting up again and again with a heart that refuses to give up. That's what Tulsidas celebrates. Not perfection, not performance, not applause, but only and only eagerness. The devotion to act. Even when nobody is clapping, chant with intention. Say it softly with me. Vidyavan guniyati chatur, Ram kaj karibeko vatur. You don't need perfection. You need participation. You don't need applause. You need eagerness. You don't need to be the best. You just need to begin. Because in devotion, efforts itself become success. So here is your reflection for today. What is the one thing in your life you need to rise for again? Not to win, but to not give up. Because failure done with faith isn't failure, it's practice for fight. Tomorrow, day 8, we explore how devotion becomes joy when listening becomes love. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one leap closer to your truth. Jai Hanuman.